In this video, we'll learn how to copy and paste one bot to a completely new bot file or overwrite some of the settings of an existing bot. This is distinct from importing and exporting BPZ files because you can preserve settings in either the source or the destination bot based on what you're trying to achieve. For example, if you want to manage something like a second bot for a staging environment and then copy the changes over to your production bot when you're happy with your changes, you can use this feature to do that. The first thing we'll do is decide which bot it is that we want to copy. We'll use this bot as our source bot. You can copy a bot either from the studio, from the Botpress menu in the corner, or from the dashboard through this menu here. Next, we'll have to select a bot as our destination. We can either create a brand new one or overwrite some of the settings of an existing bot. For this example, let's overwrite a destination bot. When you've copied one bot to another, some settings are preserved and others are overwritten. For instance, workflows, variables, and hooks from the source bot are copied, and existing ones are overwritten in the target bot. Integrations and their configurations are also synced, while tables and knowledge bases will be added but won't get overwritten. You can find a full breakdown of what changes are destructive and which ones aren't in the official Botpress documentation. Copying and pasting bots like this gives you more flexibility in preserving original settings over multiple bots, as opposed to simply importing an existing bot files. Pretty cool! Happy bot building!